yesterday on the
Asuntoskeittiö Keravan Jaakko Kulta.
the 18th of July 2023. This is Palokorvenkatu 10, and this is TKC.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here in Kerava, Finland. Well, this door it says 1999, but this would have been changed in 2000, and on the glass it says 00. So this is from the beginning of 2000 with 5 floors, and it's overallic. The capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams, and the serial number is 1352A. It's going to be inspected the next year, 2024. It'll be 25 years old in 2025. But unfortunately, these arrows are not working here.
Yeah.
The Schindler logo is still there by the door, and there are 2 different types of them here. First floor is the original, but the rest is different.
Yeah.
I think the buttons are original.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming,
Yeah.
but we have the code, so it doesn't matter.
Niin se tiippaakki väispä, en pääs pois.
Yeah, I have the code, so it doesn't matter.
Of course it matters because we don't have time to wait.
But yeah, that's true also. There's a reservation for the alarm button.
Yeah.
Oh, did I press it? Or
Yeah.
but it's they stand this like a
Yeah.
connection or safe line, but
Yeah.
I don't know. That's I don't want to press it anymore. But
Yeah.
But it could have been a door close button.
Yeah.
I don't believe this. It probably is not.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thanks for watching. So anyway, I'll go.
That's